Good morning. I did all the repairs yesterday to this deck. Now it's time to stain it. Okay. I'm doing my cut-in work right now. And this is Cabot. It's called Oak Brown. This is a true brown. And we wanted a color that would really accent the original, since they don't make it anymore, that particular pigment. So this is what I'm using now. This is Oak Brown. A really true brown. It makes decks look really, really good. And of course, just free stroking it all in, free-handing it. I've been here for about 20 minutes. Got this much done. And I also got to do the small building over there. Here we go. And I'll do a video when it's complete. But this is going to look pretty. I already know it. It's going to look pretty. Okay. Good morning. I'll do a follow-up video when I'm done. I should have this done in about 5 to 6 hours. And that's complete all the way around, inside out. Underneath the posts, all that, staircase, you know, everything. And then over there at the small building. Okay. I'll talk to you guys tonight when I upload this video. This will be part 1, the cut-in work, and also the carpentry work that was done. Okay, 7 16-foot boards that were replaced, and of course the top handrails. All right, guys. Talk to you later. I'm out of here. Leave those comments. What do you think it's going to look like?